You already done a introduction.
Welcome to Better Half Off-Road at Reiter Park.
That's not drive shaft, that's your rock slider. But your straight rear pumpkin. Come hard passenger and up. Stay hard passenger. It wants it. There it is. Yep, passenger a little bit. Yep, keep it just like that. Keep passenger. I don't want you sliding off here. Perfect, there you go.
That looks familiar, right?
These are definitely some pretty cool trails out here in Reiter Pit. First time ever here. Figuring out yellow is easy, green is kind of mild, kind of like what we're coming up to right now. This trail is just mixed in with a lot of rock crawls, and this is pretty cool. Over here, there's a small step and then the rock, but your rear diff backing up.
If I keep going, will it fucking flop?
I don't think you're gonna go backwards.
Huh?
You're not going to go
You're
backwards.
not gonna go backwards.
It's not going to flop you if you keep going forward.
Stay back driver, yeah. Hard driver.
Can I go back now?
I don't think so.
Try, but I don't think it's going to go. You're going to push that rock. I don't want that rock coming up and teetering you over. Just like that. See the problem is once you get over here and your front end comes over, your rock slider taps this rock and pushes you back. You're lined up as good as you're gonna be, yeah. Just keep it straight. Yank it nice and easy. There it is.
Gas pedal.
Yeah.
That wasn't nice. That wasn't nice and easy, was it?
Oh, now you move the rock. Yeah, hey Jake, if he comes up straight too much and leans over, that stump's going straight to his door. He's better off now.
I thought he was gonna do it. I thought he was gonna pull up.
His ass end keeps going that way.
Oh, hey, stop!
Stop.
Open your door. That'll go, man. I already tried this.
He's gonna have to winch.
Oh, fuck, that was it.
Whoa, front end's getting way far over though.
Yeah, he's there before.
Yeah, if that rock gives though, he's... Oh, it's so close.
Well, it is the next morning after getting back from Reiter. And all I gotta say is this place is no joke. I ended up getting quite a bit more damage than anticipated. The bedside over here got crunched in quite a bit more, and same with the cab. The one part that I really didn't want to damage. The rock sliders got used heavily, and these little bracket mounts getting skid on. Not sure how this ended up getting pulled down, but I'm gonna have to put that back up. This isn't the worst side. The driver's side is. So I've pulled this back down some, but I caved this completely in, rubbed the entire fender, pushed in the cab quite a bit more here, and blew out that window. Luckily the frame doesn't look damaged at all, so I'm going to be getting a new window for there, because I would definitely like to have windows, especially for winter wheeling and when it starts raining. But all in all, nothing mechanically broke that I am aware of. Everything still seems good in place. None of the axle shafts broke on the trail. The U-joints all feel tight still. But now I got to do a good once or twice over before we go to Brown's Camp, because from what I understand, Brown's Camp is no joke as well. So putting this truck in tight places, tighter places than it should be for the wheelbase that it is, 138 inches, this truck gets a workout. The rear skid on the 9-inch definitely got used. The driveline got tapped a few times, but I did not bend it or break it. All in all, I am extremely surprised I didn't break anything immediately on the trail. Not to say that nothing is broken or on its way out, because I still have to double check everything. But I just figured anybody that hasn't been to Reiter Pit and has a bigger truck or a bigger vehicle like I do, definitely expect some body damage if you're getting into some of the tighter trails. It's definitely a lot different than LB. This is just gonna be the end of the video. Just wanted to kind of show you guys the chaos after the trails. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing a good once or twice over before we go to Brown's Camp. So stay tuned for that.